This is Farnaza Behrang, and I'm going to present our demo paper, AppTestMigrator, a tool for automated test migration for Android apps. As you know, there are tons of existing mobile apps in the market, and if you look at these apps more carefully, you can divide them into different categories where the apps that belong to each category share much of their functionality. So AppTestMigrator takes advantage of this situation to improve the way that we test these mobile applications. So instead of creating brand new tests for each application, AppTestMigrator tries to migrate test cases from one app to all other existing similar applications. So the overall goal of AppTestMigrator is to migrate test cases between apps that share at least part of their functionality. At high level, AppTestMigrator takes as input a source app, a set of source tests, and a target app, and as output, it generates a set of target tests. So given the source test, it first instruments the test, and it then runs this instrumented source test and records a sequence of GUI events that are triggered and assertions that are checked by the test. Once it collects them, it continues by migrating first the GUI events and then migrating the oracles. And finally, it generates the test scripts with these migrated GUI events and oracles. Our implementation of AppTestMigrator supports Android apps, as Android is one of the major platforms in the mobile app market. The technique requires as input tests written using the Espresso testing framework. We also modify the Espresso testing framework to collect relevant dynamic information during test execution. For our static analysis, we leverage Gator, a static analysis tool that creates a model of the GUI-related behavior of an Android app. We also use Neo4j, a graph database management system, to interact with the static model. And to generate our word-to-vec model, we use GenSim, an open-source vector space and topic modeling toolkit implemented in Python. For more information regarding the technique and its implementation, you can check out the tool's website. Thank you.